What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, I know you haven't seen my face in a little minute, and it's not because I hate you. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I just been chilling. Well, my trading has been doing absolutely amazing the past couple weeks, and I kind of want to share with y'all what kind of has upped my trading and made me a way better trader the past couple weeks. Like 2 weeks ago or a week and a half ago, I think I had my biggest day ever, which was around like $27,000 or something like that in one single trade, which was absolutely amazing, obviously. But I just kind of wanted to share with y'all. I came back to share with y'all just this mindset switch, this one simple switch that I just had to figure out. You know what I'm saying? And I was a great trader before, but now it's just, I don't know. Trading has become a lot easier for me. I can say, like, I'm not as stressed about it. I'm not hesitating about my trades. I'm not missing out on trades. I'm literally just following my plan and executing the plan and making money. You know what I'm saying? We're losing money sometimes, but making money for the majority of the times. And I kind of wanted to share that with you guys. I feel like it will help a lot of you guys out. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop these bangers. You know what I'm saying? And without further ado, let's just hop right into this. Wait. I explained to y'all, just because I'm not on YouTube doesn't mean I'm not trading. I've been trading way more, actually. And I'm saying not to say I have a signals chat. If you want to be part of the signals chat, you can hit the link inside the description. You'll get notified whenever I enter into a trade. You'll see exactly what my stop loss is, my entry, my take profit. So if y'all want to follow along with it, you can. But that's not even the best part of the signals chat. And I think that's what people be forgetting. It's a whole free course included in the signals chat that teaches y'all literally everything from step 0 to step 1,000,000. You go learn how to get started. You know what I'm saying? You go learn what the heck Forex is. First of all, you're going to learn the psychology. You're going to learn how to read candlesticks, how to read charts. You're going to learn the indicators that I use. You gotta learn every single strategy that I personally use when I'm trading. There's one strategy in there called the squeeze strategy, which I'm getting DMs from all the time from people saying, bro, this strategy is a money printer. You know what I'm saying? So if any of that interests you, link inside the description. It is a monthly fee, so y'all can sign up. You can cancel whenever the heck you want to. You can honestly sign up for it and then just watch the course and then cancel it. Honestly, I don't care. I'm really here to provide value, and I feel like the signals chat / the course provides a whole bunch of value. So that's something that interests y'all. Link inside the description. But without further ado, let's hop right into this. All right, so boom. Like I told y'all, it's a little mindset switch that I just want to share with y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is something that when you're trading, keep this in the front of your mind. I was about to say the back of your mind, but no, keep this in the front of your mind every single time you're trading. We all have strategies. We all have certain strategies that we use. That is the first step. You need to find a profitable strategy or a profitable edge. That's what some people call it. But what I mean by profitable strategy, I don't mean it has to win 100% of the time. It doesn't even have to win 80, 90, 70% of the time. As long as it is a strategy where, let's say you win 50% of the time, but your risk to reward ratio is 3-to-1 every single trade. That is a profitable trading strategy, because of the fact that if you win half of your trades, but half of your trades win 3 times as much as you lose, that's profitable. You're still making 2 times as much as you lose 3 times as much as you lose every single time you win a trade. So that is a profitable strategy. So that is the first step. But once you have that, it's honestly all you have. I've made videos about this. Like if you're profitable on a demo account, but you go to a live account and you're losing money, it's all psychology. So once you figure out that strategy and stick with that strategy, don't go and try and do 100 million strategies. If I come out with a new strategy video, don't go and take my strategy over the strategy that you've been using for 2 weeks just because you lost one time with that strategy. Don't go flipping flopping on strategies. Choose one strategy that you like and that you're familiar with and comfortable with, and run with it. I promise y'all, flipping from strategy to strategy does not work. It is just a huge freaking waste of time. And I was explaining this to somebody recently as well, where if your strategy says when price does this, you're gonna enter right here, you know what I'm saying, and you're gonna let it go. But you also remember another strategy that you had, and you see an opportunity for that other strategy that you have, but it doesn't line up with your current strategy, leave it alone. You don't need to enter every single trade that you see just because you think you could be right about it. It makes sense to just only enter the trades that are based off of your current strategy, not strategies that you've seen before, not double tops, not double bottoms, not trend line rejections. If that does not line up with your strategy, do not take the trade. It's okay to miss out on trades. That's what you guys have to freaking understand. There's going to be opportunities every single day, multiple times a day, even depending on what type of strategy you have. You know what I'm saying? But once you get your strategy and you're comfortable with your strategy, you're comfortable with the risk to reward, it has great risk to reward ratios. After that, you just have to master the psychology. And the easy way to master the psychology is to literally make a plan. And I know you've heard this before. I've heard it multiple times before, but it never really registered in my head, because when you're entering into a trade, right, a lot of people get very anxious. They get very nervous. They're like, should I hop into the trade right now? Does this look like kind of what my trades usually look like? Do I feel confident in this trade? Did I wait too long? Am I going in too early? You know what I'm saying? All of these things can stop you from entering into trades or jumping into trades when you're not supposed to. But having a plan, and what I mean by plan is if price does this, I'm hopping in no matter what. You know what I'm saying? That's what a plan is. If A plus B equals C, you know what I'm saying? A, B is going to C. You know what I'm saying? That didn't make any sense, but you know what the heck I'm talking about. If price, I would show y'all an example, but I don't have my computer up right now. Actually, let's hop into an example right now, actually. All right, so here we are. This is actually like a perfect example, you know what I'm saying? This is a trade that I did not take, but this is a trade that I would have taken. The only reason I didn't take this trade is because today is FOMC. So like the huge news event basically made this red candlestick happen down here. So I kind of told myself yesterday that I wasn't going to trade today, no matter if I saw my setup or anything like that. And I just kind of stuck with that, even though this is literally my trade right here. We have a box around the London high. The price came down to retest the box and it rejected it with this black candlestick right here. So this is literally my trade. This is a perfect setup. I would have won the trade before FOMC even happened, but I had to stick with what I told myself by saying I was not going to trade today. But like I was kind of saying, having a plan of action that you do not sway from, this would be like a perfect example. So let me actually go to this chart so it's cleaner, right? So let's say my strategy is I put a box around London high, London low, which this is my exact strategy. I go over my strategy in depth in my free course inside a single chat. So if you want to see that, links in the description. But let's say, let me rewind this, right? Let's say I know as soon as it breaks above this box, if it comes back down and retests this box, I'm going to enter the trade. That is my strategy, because that's what I've tested before, that if it breaks out of the London high, it comes back down and retests it and gives me a nice reversal candle, price is most likely going to continue to the upside. You know what I'm saying? So all I'm doing at this point is waiting for it to happen. So I see it come down, retest my box. I see a nice reversal off of it. I told myself as soon as I see a nice reversal candle, I'm hopping into it. Stop loss below the box. Take profits at the last level, which is this level right here, is what I would have targeted. So I hopped into the trade. Now I'm not looking at we're making lower lows here. We had a high right here, a low, a high, a low, a high right here. Then we had a lower low. I'm not looking at any of that. All I'm looking at is, did price do what I wanted it to do, or what my strategy usually prohibits? And as we see, it did. It came down into my box and made a rejection candle off of it. So I'm hopping into the trade. If I lose, I lose. But I followed my plan. Literally, I have a to-do notebook right here that I kind of every single day. And one of the things that I kind of write in here almost every day is not to win every trade or be profitable that day, but to be proud of my trades. And being proud of your trades means you hopped into the trade when your strategy showed, or when the opportunity came for your strategy. So as long as I can do that, I'm happy with myself, no matter if I lost, no matter if I win, because you guys have to understand trading is a probability game. You can have an 80% win rate, but 20% of the time you're going to lose. And you can't guess when that 20% of the time is. It's not automatic where it's like you're going to win 4 times, then 1 time you're going to lose, or the 5th time you're going to lose. It's not automatic like that. It can literally be random. You can lose 5 times in a row, technically, if your odds just line up in the 20%. It just screws you over every freaking time. But like I said, trading is a probability game. But in order to play the game, you have to enter the game. So you have to have that game plan to enter the game and roll the dice no matter what. And that's what having a plan and executing a clear plan and executing on it. So like I said, it's not going to be the same for y'all. Y'all don't have the same strategy as me. I don't have the same strategy as you. But you need to spend time, first of all, getting your strategy, back testing your strategy so you're confident in it, back testing the risk to reward ratio that you want to have and feel comfortable with, and then setting perimeters where it's like, okay, if price does this, and then it does this, I'm hopping into the trade. F what everything else says, F the other noise, F all that. You know what I'm saying? As long as price does this and then does this, I'm hopping into the trade. And once you kind of have that, that eliminates the whole not being confident in, missing out on trades because you were not confident in the trade. That eliminates you missing out on trades. That limits you FOMOing into trades because you have a set guideline on what price has to do before you enter into a trade. So if it doesn't do that exact thing, you're not hopping into the trade. You know what I'm saying? So it eliminates that. It also eliminates you wasting time and hopping into multiple different trades or revenge trading because you have to follow that plan that you created. It also just makes trading a lot more easy. Like you're literally just looking for A, B, then you're entering in, win or lose. You know what I'm saying? And that's ultimately what we all want. We want to make money, and we don't want to be stressing about it 24/7. You know what I'm saying? We want to be in trades. We like trading. So that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. It sounds very like simple and cliche, but creating a plan, like an actual detailed plan, and sticking with that plan can help your trading go so freaking far. Like even when you're back testing, you can even gain confidence with your trading, like going back and back testing it multiple times. And let's say you want to risk $1,000 every single trade, right? Back test 25 times, and every single time that trade opportunity arises and you take that trade, document to say, okay, I won here or I lost here. Then after the 25 trades, count up how many times you lost or how many times you won, and like put the numbers in. So say every time you lost $1,000, but every time you won $3,000. So put the numbers in, and if it comes out with you profitable after 25 trades, then you know that is a great strategy, and you can just hop into the trade every single time that strategy arises or every single time that opportunity arises without you having to question if it loses, if it wins, because you know ultimately in the end, after based on your past back testing after 25 trades or whatever, it's profitable. No matter if I lose this one, no matter if I lose the next one, no matter if I lose the third one, I know at the end of the day, it's going to be profitable most likely just because you back tested it so much. So yeah, that's really what I wanted to share with you guys. I know this is kind of like, I don't know. I just, people say it's simple, but it's trading is not complicated. You know what I'm saying? Trading is very simple. It's not easy. Now don't get that confused. Trading is not easy, but it is simple. You know what I'm saying? It's creating a plan and sticking with it. But that's really all I got for y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit the post notification bell so y'all can be notified whenever I drop these gems. Because listen, I'm about to be back. I have a couple ideas. I told y'all I didn't know what the heck to post, but I got a couple ideas now, and we finna get active, and it's finna be lit, and we finna make people millions of dollars. So yeah, that's about it. See you on the next video.